Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And this platform is dedicated to learning unusual but very practical and useful phrases for your daily use. If you like my channel, please subscribe to me. And turn on your notifications so that you know that I have the latest news for you. Have you been asked to do something right away? Yeah, oftentimes you are asked to do something right away. Just imagine that your school teacher asks you to do a presentation right away, but you are not ready. You need more time to do your preparation, so you need to find an excuse to delay it. Perhaps we can say, yeah, sir, I think my PowerPoint isn't good enough, so I just need more time to pretty it up. Can we actually postpone the presentation? Is that all right? Please. Of course not. And your teacher would say, don't waste my time. Or, don't waste time splitting hairs. What does it mean? So, the useful phrase for today is, don't waste time splitting hairs. Don't waste time splitting hairs. And I read again, don't waste time splitting hairs. What does it mean? Alright, don't worry. Let me just break the phrase into two parts. For the first part, don't waste time. It means save your time. And the second part, splitting hairs. It means you are doing something that is not so important. Or you are making some changes that nobody cares at all. So this phrase reminds us not to waste time on something that is not so important. Problem is, how to use this phrase in our daily life. So let me show you one example. I will pay the fee to end the contract, so don't waste time splitting hairs. This means I don't want to waste time to study the details in the contract. I would rather pay all the charges to terminate the contract. Because I know the details in the contract are not so important. In order to understand the phrase much better, now just pay attention to the following skit that I extracted from a Hong Kong drama and I modified it. Now just enjoy the skit.
3, 2, 1.
I can't see anything. I need more time to check them out. Don't worry, I have this last trick. Okay, everything is clear. I can see everything now. Just need 5 more minutes. Just do it. God damn it. Now we start the game. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 of you. Don't waste time splitting hairs. Now do it. Huh? They need more time to look around. Yeah, I know. And this is the end for today's sharing. I hope you'll find the content useful and practical for your daily communication. So I'm looking forward to your company again in the next episode. So see you around.
5個捧菜收貨。
哇！喂，我哋呢個對手真係好卑鄙喎。
係咯。